Since Papa's health was failing so rapidly, we feel so fortunate to have this recording of his playing the harmonica with Gary at his church. Listen with us to one verse of Victory in Jesus.
Look at my dad's Whitley smile. As you can see, my dad was given a standing ovation. This just goes to show you how well he was loved.
A spontaneous standing ovation was a fitting tribute of love and honor to Papa's talent and sweet spirit.